Fountain restoration. Restoration sent to teach you. Present patient is a central feature. Great, it has begun. The boom secured in 1851 when the room was pure. And it's great for to shine, save the plight. January 1849. Papers write, a pernicious article said it is scarier. This was to start it all. Deathly malaria. The first case would see fail as the curse chased female. Mrs. Patterson, yes lords, that is in the records. Decrepit powers, it's to greet after 20 hours in English Street. Whoa, it is stacked. Say what to do. The Cholera Act was 1832. Ways we've seen, now built them. God save the Queen, sang 1,000 children. Jet dough with ways to meet. Yes, show St. David's Street. The state was mounting ways and ways to do. Replacement fountain in 1882. The first was lost. Could yet scream that the curse exhaust. A good jet stream went to say the scene is there. There's a dense array, Mr. Green, in the air. Miasma believed contagious, that as we breathed from stages, people for to put the way it's staged, fecal oral route, debate raged. A celebratory dinner, flaws had bled, great it's a winner, the provost said, and sword. Got say, landlord, you've got to pay. 1854 means it's there. Beneath it is clear, Queensberry Square, chief engineer. All get the cheers, we're at ease. Well, it's severe, talk of proverbial disease. Soon it cracked. Get tomorrow, nuisance act, deadly hollow. Got the storm, clever do. It was waterborne. They never knew. And fit it, as we had there, thought it was transmitted. Carried by bad air, with the charms, if we remember, behind the King's arms, 16th September. State it is late, let us beat, 1948, directors meet, well the worth. Now knelt, hell on earth is how it felt. Stain it will smother, put all, 14-year-old, followed remains of the mother. Brutal, Dulcan sons, a lot that talk, the skull of Burns, taken by Dr. Blacklock. Hurting isn't nice, so it saved. He was working for a price. Overpaid. We are to toil, discussion on payment at the Theatre Royal. People rushing to make it. Get it to over, still having to hide. 1832, 2nd October, William McCracken died. The depiction, getting your breath with this affliction, first professional death. All will astound, ways we were to do, finally the cholera mound for 1832. Toy with stains all, teach its worth, a destroying angel beneath the turf. Got that, great, is clever, strange will sigh, better late than never, as angels die.